What up, Tube? Welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Today is Monday, gentlemen and ladies. Monday. If you don't work on Mondays, you're missing out. If you're not open on Mondays, you're leaving money on the table. Monday is a traditional barber day off. In 1940 or 50 or 60, not now, not in this era, not in these days. If your shop is not open on Mondays or Sundays, I suggest you get it open, guys. There's always staff work days. There's no reason to be closed. If you want to up your income, you want to up your clientele, you want to up your game, then you need to be available for your clientele. That's just the name of this game. If you're going to sit at home and, you know, wake up at 9 o'clock in the morning, 10 o'clock in the morning and open up late, you know, I hope you're staying open late. You have to be open. Your old doors have to be open 8 hours, guys. If you're not at your shop for 8 hours, then you're doing yourself a dissatisfaction because you are not going to earn what you're supposed to be earning. You want to do good? You want to make money? You have to make yourself available at your shop. That means be there. That means show up and stay there till the end, till it closes, till the doors lock. No leaving early. No getting there late. I don't know about your bosses, but my pet peeve is showing up late. I hate barbers that show up late. Cannot stand a barber that shows up 2-3 hours late. That's ridiculous. There's no excuse for that. We open our doors at a certain time. We should be there at that certain time. And you know, you as a barber, you have to train yourself, get a mindset, get yourself a mentor, follow suit from somebody. You know what I mean? Every barber should have a mentor, guys. Every barber should have somebody to look up to and follow suit from. Take advice from him. You know, it should be somebody in your shop. If you don't have a mentor, find a shop that has one for you. You know, and there's nothing wrong with going in there and asking that barber, like, I need you to be my mentor. I want to learn from you. You know, you do that to that barber's going to take you under his wing. You know, hopefully he's not one of those barbers that doesn't like to share his advice or his skills or his, you know. I'm not like that. I like to teach. I want my barbers to grow with me, not just me by myself. I am the example at my shop. You know, there's an example for them to follow suit. You know, if they want to be successful, then they can do that. You know, they can follow suit. If they don't want to be successful, then, you know, I have barbers too that, you know, continue to do the same shenanigans over and over, you know, and expect a different result. And you know, with that, you know how that goes, guys. If you guys do the same thing over and over and you expect a different result, it's not gonna happen, guys. It's not gonna happen. That's the definition of insanity. Doing the same shit over and over and expecting a different result. No, it's not gonna happen. You have to change things up. You have to change yourself. So keep that in mind, guys. That's my spill for this morning. One other thing I want to share with you guys. I told you guys I'm upping my game in my shaves. I think my level of my shaves is going up right now, really, to a better result. So now I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upgrade my the blades that I use and the handle. So I'm taking, I know, hey guys, I follow suit just like you guys do. When people give me advice and people suggest things to me, you know, I take advice and I follow the same way, you know. So a lot of guys have been telling me to try these new, they're not new, they've been around. They're called feather blades, Feather or Astra. Me personally, I've never tried them. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna upgrade to a nice shave handle made by Feather, and I'm gonna use their blades and I'm gonna try it out. You know, it's gonna be an investment. It's gonna be I think the blade handle is 130 bucks, and the blades are about 10 bucks for a pack. So I'm gonna try it out. Do I think I need that? I don't know. I want to just up my game. I want to get better at shaves. I want to do better. I want to give that person, I want every customer to come in and say like, damn, that's a good shave, you know. And you know, sometimes you guys don't understand. You have to invest in your tools, you know. Investing in your tools is the best thing you could do, you know. If you don't invest in your artwork and your artwork, this is what it is. It's like art, you know. If you don't invest in it, then you know you're not gonna get the greatest results, you know. If you're using the same machines from 5 years ago, there's a good chance that machine's not cutting the same way, you know what I mean? I could tell. So invest in your tools. All right, guys, that's my spiel for today. I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. I think I'm working by myself today. I don't have nobody to come in, so hey, it's Monday. I'm gonna roll by myself and see how it goes, you know. Hopefully it's not too busy as it was last Monday, but if it is, you know, I'm just gonna roll with it. We're still waiting on Raul's apprentice license, so as soon as it comes in, he'll be up full time. And then not only that, today I have one of my other younger barbers is taking his barber test today. So if he passes today, then bam, we got another full-time barber. So today's gonna be a good day, guys. I'll see you guys in a little while. Have a blessed day and grind on. Been a crazy day. So remember I told you guys I was probably gonna work by myself. Well, J-Lo's the one that called in. J-Lo's my daughter. J-Lo called in, but I was gonna do it by myself, but thank goodness she called Tone and made arrangements with him to come in and cover for her. Again, my barbers go up and beyond. And this is what you want when you want barbers. You want them to fucking take some initiative, and you know, he's not gonna show up, and get somebody to show up for you. And that's a good thing. So thank you guys, and thank you Tone for showing up. That's it for today, guys. This day is over. I'm right here in front of the shop. There's a little shop right there. I got my benches all scooted over. Day is over, but I'm not done. I gotta do all my cleaning still. I'm gonna do my mopping. Gotta do the restrooms. Watch a little bit of Monday Night Football in here. Check it out. But everybody's gone. Well, it was only me and Tony today. Luckily, Tony came by. It was a super busy day. I don't think I would have been able to do it by myself. But we held it down, me and Tony. It ended up being a great day. So my girl's sick. She's at the ER. So as soon as I'm done with this cleaning right here, I'm going to go join her over there and hang out at the ER for a little while. But that's it for today, guys. I won't be back till Thursday. I'm going to be off tomorrow and Wednesday. Thank goodness I have one of my guys got his barber's license today, Martin. Congratulations. So he'll be working full-time again. So I'm getting barbers again, guys. I'm getting barbers again. It's going to get good. All right, guys. With that being said, that's it for tonight. You guys have a blessed night. And I'm going to finish this mopping and go join my girl at the ER. See you guys on Thursday. Or you know what? I'm not working Thursday. I'll be back on Friday. I'll see you guys later.